3.
Lupa by Asin. Lupa is a solemn reflection on our origin and destiny. We come from dust, and to dust we shall return. Through its lyrics, Asin reminds us to live with humility, knowing that life is fleeting and sacred. The song teaches a powerful moral lesson. Kung ano ang iyong inutang, ay siya rin ang kabayaran. A call for accountability and fairness. In a world striving for peace, this message is vital. We must treat others with respect and justice. Trust begins when we honor the dignity of every person, regardless of status or belief. The song also warns against pride and selfishness, which often lead to conflict and division. As we celebrate the UN's theme, Lupa urges us to act with conscience and compassion. Peace is not just a political goal, it's a spiritual responsibility. This performance is a meditation on humility, justice, and the shared faith of humanity. Let Lupa reminds us that true peace begins when we remember who we are and how we treat one another.
Sa lupa magbabalik na kusa ang buhay mo. Sa lupa nagmula. Bago mo linisin ang lubis ng iyong kapwa, hugasan ang iyong putik sa mukha. Kung ano ang di mo gusto,
huwag gawin sa iba.
Kung ano ang iyong inutang, ay siya ring kabayaran.